Okay, guys, I'm trying to open this phone and it seems problematic because it's broken from here. I'm trying to open the back of it. I don't know if I'll be able to open it, but let's try. Okay, looks like I've got it finally. Okay, so here it is. So this connection is still fine, but the problem is that this connection from the top, from this screen, if you look at this wire here, this is supposed to connect somewhere. Here somewhere, which I think it's somewhere here. I have no idea. I have to buy a replacement of it, but looks like it still turns on. So if I connect a charger to it, you can see that light still goes on, this light here. So if I turn it on, this is the light here. Okay, I don't. Okay, yeah, I can feel the vibration. So that means the phone itself works fine. Just I need the replacement screen. Battery, yeah, it's charging, I think. The battery seems to be okay. I guess the camera connection and this fingerprint connection seems to be okay as well. So what I need is just the screen to fix this thing. So let's see if I can find the screen and then carry on, try to fix it.